Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to install very quickly a radio faceplate, a radio delete faceplate in a CJ when the holes are all been hollowed out. There's the hole, pretty large. It's just over 7 inches wide and about 2¼ inches deep, tall. And you get this radio base plate, aftermarket, cheap, 10 or 12 bucks, but there's no way to mount it. It mounts from the back and it's got a couple of holes that are no longer there. So what do? Here's what I did. Take this, you can get this in any hardware store. It's like hanger steel, super thin. Cut it about 3½ inches long, a little bit more on the top than the bottom. Attach the cap nut and the washer that comes with the faceplate, and all you do is put it in like so, like that, and then just from behind you swing these things around so that they catch up here and down here on each side, and then tighten them up. You tighten them up with 11mm socket. You just stick your hand back there. You don't even need a ratchet. You tighten them up by hand. And hey buddy, and that'll hold it in place. I'll throw it in and show you how it looks in a second. That's what it looks like installed. Very slight gap there. Very slight gap there. It's just not quite long enough, but no big deal. I could fill that with something, but for a Jeep, it's good. Nice and tight. Looks good.